Hello folks, today I changed the oil, and again I will show you, for those who have no idea, how to reset the GLK350 service. So this is a Mercedes GLK350 2010, and they all care pretty much the same. So 2010 to 2014 or 2008. So first of all, insert your key into ignition. Then you'll see the messages on the screen. Next thing you do is to turn the key once to the right. You'll see the messages. So press the OK button till you get the mileage on. Next thing, what you're gonna do, use two hands and press OK button and the phone button quick and hold it. So you might gonna have this message right here, so just click no, so message goes away, and you do it again until you get the message. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, and the phone button really quick, and you hold it until you have this message. Many people has problem, they are removing their fingers really quick and they don't have enough time to get this vehicle data. So we scroll down to ASSYST PLUS, we hit OK. Service data, so got all kind of information about the service or a full service, and hit OK. Service 2, Service 3, confirm full service. So if your vehicle has full service, just hit OK. Service carried out, hit OK, and one more time, confirm. Full service carried out. Now you can look at the rest of the menu and do some other things. So basically show you quite a bit of items. You can play with it. Don't overdo it. Thanks for watching, guys. This was how to reset gears for oil change or for Mercedes GLK350 and many other vehicles. Pretty much the same. Thank you.